Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings because Do Not Disturb lives under sound controls. This ensures system-level silencing. Tap sounds and vibration, then Do Not Disturb to access options. You do this first so changes apply to calls, alerts, and app notifications at once. Once done, you'll see basic toggles and scheduling. Make sure to pause if you need to back up any custom notification profiles, since system overrides can change app behavior when DND is active. Next, configure scheduling and exceptions so Do Not Disturb works automatically and doesn't block critical alerts. Turn on as scheduled and pick start and end times. Morning and bedtime routines are common. Then, tap exceptions to allow calls, messages, or alarms. Choose favorites or repeat callers if you need an emergency bypass. Once configured, these rules ensure you keep important contacts and alarms while muting everything else. Make adjustments if you notice missed messages. Finally, use the Quick Settings tile for instant on/off control. Drag down and tap Do Not Disturb to toggle without opening settings. Make sure app-specific notification permissions don't conflict. Sometimes apps bypass DND or stay silent due to their own settings. If DND seems broken, reboot the phone, clear the settings cache, and recheck exceptions. This often fixes stuck states. If problems persist, verify carrier or third-party apps aren't managing notifications and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.